Hey guys, welcome back to Jeda Gaming, and today we're in Roblox again, and we're in Clone Tycoon with Llamas Love Zoe again. But yeah, I already did my Tycoon because I used to play this game every day, so yeah, I have a pretty big Tycoon. And we're gonna fight mode on. There we go. Make the fight mode green, and then you can grab let's get the best weapon I have. It's up there. Ooh, what should I get? Oh, this one. Get this one. Hello? I can't get it.
I don't really know how does this game work.
You have to build a clone, and then your clone will come out of there, and then yeah.
Kill them all!
You won't kill me. Well, yeah, maybe.
Yes, I killed them.
I think I can't get those stuff because I'm using a bad one. I'm gonna get a good one. Oh, my clone's already using them. Yay! Ooh, I'm gonna grab this because I want to use this. What are my clones using? Oh God. Hello, where are you, Llama Love Zoe?
Wait, me?
Yeah.
I can't even get the knife. How do you get the knife?
You have to just get that. There, you got it already.
Okay, I'll do it on my hand first.
I'm killing people right now. Boom. That's so easy. Boom. Boom. Die. No, I died.
Aww.
I got a good knife for my clone.
And you start building walls.
I'm gonna kill your clone. Oh, my weapon is a big.
Now all I have to do is right here.
Oh, I'm gonna kill your clone. Oh, your clone died already. Die. Oh, it's laggy. I think I'm gonna get kicked out. Same for me. I think I'm gonna lose connection. There you go.
Yep.
Okay.
So yeah, guys, so I think we have to do this all over again. I mean, not all over again.
Yeah, I didn't save mine, but I did. Okay, guys.
So we're gonna start again.
Maybe?
Or we might play that again.
Yeah. It's very hard for us to choose a game.
Yeah, so we just pick this one.
Like, we're gonna choose a good game, like, I don't know what.
What do you guys for comment? Comment down below.
Yep, comment down below. And if you comment something, we might play in the next video after the one we're gonna play after this video.
Yeah, see, because if anyone likes you.
Okay. Yeah.
So what do you want to play?
Right now, bye guys. See you guys in the next video.
Yeah.
Don't forget to comment, okay?
Yeah, this is pretty hard, so we're just playing.
Yep. And the next video, I might have a webcam because I'm gonna open my webcam. I look different from what I looked like when I made my last video. Not different, but okay, bye. Wait, I can't stop it.